Hello students, today I take your precious time to give you a sneak peek into the strategic setup that is essential for every single one of you in order to prime up your preparation for the section Critical Reasoning for the CLAT 2025, and here I have a list of do's that should be preferred in your go up for the 2025 CLAT paper. Here I have on priority 1, on a routine basis I would recommend you to read the full newspaper and devote at least an hour to the cause. Ab is full newspaper mein I would further recommend that you not only go through every single page along with the editorial and sub-editorial section, you should ensure that by reading so, this should not be a one-time affair. This should rather be transformed into a daily habit, a habitual sort of thing. And once you are fully immersed into it, you should ensure that this in turn contributes to the building up of your capacity of reading as big a passage as possible, specifically in your mocks and various tests that you sit across in your run-up to the CLAT 2025. Number 2, revise the basic fundamentals of critical reasoning inclusive of concepts. For concepts you have you have plethora of concepts like inference, assumption, strengthening, weakening, main idea, conclusion. All these come under the head of concepts. Rules, there are various rules which only accrue to your understanding after practice. Third one, theories. There are multiple theories like for instance we have various theories that go into the making of critical reasoning as a subject matter full of surprises and narrow ends. And then third thing which I would recommend you to do is practice CR passages from classroom sheets, modules and mocks on a daily basis. On a daily basis, you should make a point to practice at least 3 to 4 CR passages, and they can be sourced from any of these mentioned areas, any of these mentioned pools of material that include your classroom sheets, your modules, your mocks, and this should be a part and parcel of your daily habitual scheme so that you remain tied, you remain focused, you remain well oriented with your agenda for the day, specifically with respect to your preparation for critical reasoning on a day by day basis. Now moving ahead, identify the typical questions. Typical questions mean specific questions that tend to give you those oops moments once you are into attempting them and you feel that they happen to be your Achilles heel, and time and again you have a tendency of committing errors in them. Once you identify them, try to get behind them, try to get around them, and ensure that you have a proper synergistic strategy. You have a proper strategy of identifying with them and you have worked out a way of dealing with them, acing them on a timely basis. धीरे धीरे आपको इस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेटेजी से आइडेंटिफाई करवाना है खुद को कि कैसे जो क्वेश्चंस आपके बार बार गलत हो रहे हैं वो उनको सही करना सीखना है आपको. And for that you can seek the aid of your mentor. The last thing that I have put over here is categorize questions in the weekly mocks across categories ranging from simple to complicated. Those that you feel are easily doable, you can put them under simple, and those that you feel are going out of bounds for you and they are not within your territory of tractability, you are most welcome to class them under the complicated category, and you can easily seek the instant help or aid of your mentor, and he or she will guide you further through those labyrinthine pathways.